What's up, everyone? How's it going? Today, I want to be taste testing these birthday cake flavored Oreos. Now, I know some of you would probably say, hey, yeah, they've probably been out for some time. Yes, I had them before. But I had picked these up at one of my local Walmarts. And these are my first time seeing these. This is gonna be my first time taste testing these for you guys. I know they say limited edition. The packaging looks really nice. And these are 150 calories. But yeah, this is going to be my first time seeing these in person and taste testing these for you guys. Birthday cake flavored cream Oreos. This is my first time trying these, so I'm going to be... Say, and then... Oh my goodness. They actually smell like what it says on the wrapping. Nice golden. Not too much inside. It, yeah, this would accidentally really taste like an actual cake. Like a vanilla with a gold frosting, regular golden cake. They're not half that bad, actually. They're nice and sweet. I would have to give these an 8 out of 9. I mean, 8 out of 10. But yeah. These are really good. But this is my first time trying these for you guys. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you tried them before. But yeah, I actually enjoyed these. So if you're new, subscribe, like, comment down below, and let me know if you've seen and tried these before. I'm sure they've been up before. It's my first time. Thanks for watching, everyone. Take care of yourselves.